So I'm here at Nicholas Correa in Burgos in Spain, and with Andy Guy from DTS. These guys supply, or DTS supply these machines in the UK. Very popular, Andy, and this is the Axia, isn't it? Tell us about this model before we get into detail about this RAM here.
The Axia is in the travelling column range of machine tools. It is the next level up from the first travelling column machine they do. And this is very, very popular in the UK.
Why do you go travelling column versus some of the bridge and the gantry? What's the difference? Because I mean, obviously, what happens here is this is your x-axis, isn't it, moving left to right?
It is. So what you have is a x-axis, vertical axis, and then the RAM coming out. And what it allows then is taller parts, longer parts, multiple workstations. So something like this, you could have a rotary table and also a milling table as well.
And I suppose if you're making bigger, or you're machining bigger parts, you don't want to be moving them around. They're fixed then to the base, and the column moves to the part.
Yes, the column moves to the part, or if it's a rotary table, it will rotate it all the way around.
So you can hit all faces.
Hit all faces and do very, very tall parts.
What I'm really interested in is this RAM, Andy. I mean, what we got here? We got these are two guides, but it's not the only way it's supported, is it? When it's extended.
So this is two guideways on the bottom, but then it is a box-in-box RAM. Something very similar you would see in a bridge type machine or something. So RAM is symmetrical, which then allows cutting conditions in all direction to be very, very stiff.
Okay, so the box-in-box, the camera can see it now, it's pretty much wrapped round the whole of the RAM. So if you took a bridge type machine or a gantry machine and turned it through 90 degrees, is that right? Is that what we've got here?
Very much like that, very much like that. And then one of the big advantages with it being a box-in-box is, as you can see, when this RAM extends out, then you can engage wedges, which then make the RAM stiff.
So with this extended to this position, is there any droop at all from here to if it was fully retracted?
No, because what you see in the RAMs, you'll see very much where they do a lot of like torsion bars to take any bend or anything out the machine. So a mechanical way of taking droop out.
Okay, so is it done with mechanics as well as software? Do you have some way of reading?
So mainly mechanics, because although the machines are very advanced, they try and keep the concept of things very basic for reliability, access, maintenance.
Okay, now is this as big as you go though with something like this? I mean, what you got, about 3 metres, 4 metres in height?
Yeah, this is about 3 metres in height, but you will see further down the workshop there is an 8-metre vertical machine. And currently, the only limitation on vertical travel is the crane height. So that is the only limitation at the moment.
And all of this is made here, isn't it, in Burgos? It's fantastic to see. If you walk around this works, how impressive is it for you to bring customers here?
So as you will see, the facility is looking fantastic. Very clean. You can see all the elements being made on Correa machines. You can see the heads being manufactured and made here. So as they can see, everything is under one umbrella here.
And when you look at this travelling column machine, finally this Axia, with the technology that you've got here and the RAM and the box-in-box, do you think it gives your machines more durability than maybe others? Are they going to last longer, cut heavier, continue to be precise for longer periods of time? Is this really what DTS and Correa taught?
It is. You will see some of the customers that we have in the UK, they have Correa machines that are 20 plus years and they are still working absolutely fine.